Yo, what the fuck is up? I'm showing you how to refill a Juul pod. Easy as fuck. Get your juice. Boom. You jumped over. Okay, check this shit. How you take this off? You're a fucking man, right? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at my shit. Look at this shit. Shit, shit. Fucking man. Easy as fuck. You just rip that off. Alright, now you got the little black nigger. Oh, fuck. You got the little black piece in there, yeah? This needs delicate. Get the fuck out. Delicate. Oh, pinch a corner. Pinch a corner. Come on, bitch. Easy. It's out. Boom. Check this out. Look at my shit. Look at my shit. I'm gonna fill this bitch up. Ready? Easy. This is the easy part. Ah! No, John! John, come inside! Right inside, John! Ah! Okay. Fill that bitch up. Take your little blackie. Boom! Little blackie. In. Now it's just easy. Look at this shit. Boom! In. Gotta chug my shit. Look at this. Let's try this shit out. Alright, boys. Look at my shit. That's how you fucking refill a Juul.